Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Handmade Books for Mother's Day or comic book style, or really any kind of style you like. I'm going to show you how to make a simple book out of a piece of paper. This is computer paper. You're going to fold it in half. Make sure that your edges are nice and crisp. I even used my thumbnail a little. Then I fold it in half the other way. Again, flattening that fold, and then fold it one more time. And this is how big your book will be. It's pretty small, but it's great for little activities. I'm going to open it back up. I open it halfway. Then you'll notice I find the fold. This is where we're going to cut, but only halfway to the middle where the letter T crosses. So take my scissors, only cut on the fold. We're going to make one cut to the center. Make sure you don't go past the center. Then I'm going to open it up and I'm going to fold it the hot dog way or the vertical way. Take my two hands and push the center together, making sure my folds are nice and crisp, and then I push the two ends together. Once I get them together, I then fold all the pages together to make my mini book. That's it. Now I can decorate it, draw on it, use it as a mini sketchbook, or make something for Mother's Day, which is what I'm going to show you how to do. And this could be for any person in your life who takes good care of you that you want to celebrate on Mother's Day. You have multiple pages here where you can add whatever you like. Stay tuned till I show you what else you can add to this. I decorated using markers, but you could use any material. I wrote a couple of sentences about how my mother helps me, and in this case I drew like two characters, the way you would if you were an illustrator in a book. But think of the two characters like you and the person you care about. I added a little bit of color. I traced over my lines, making sure that you could see all the details that I added, but I kept it pretty simple. I didn't draw stick figures because Miss Hutchins doesn't do that. But then I just added some simple colors to it. I also did a comic book style, and you can see how in this book I added some blocks the way you would see in a comic book. I hope you get inspired. Can't wait to see what you make. Don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. Head over to Miss Cruz's page to check out some more information on illustration covers, Caldecott winners, and some great inspiration. The website is the special area website, and then click on media to see her awesome slideshow.